Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the special edition Cleetus McFarland HobbyZone Carbon Cub that is available now, and it is quite beautifully modeled after my big Carbon Cub. And you can fly this baby at your home, your work, wherever. This is a true bush plane. You ready for this? Now, Alan has a fully assembled unit right here.
Man, looks just like it.
Exact replica. See the similarities?
Dude, it is just like it.
All right, and this one's brand new. We just put it together, and we're gonna maiden voyage. Don't worry, if you don't know how to fly an RC plane, this is the one for you because it has 3 different flight modes. You got beginner, intermediate, and experienced. I'll show you that here in a minute. And you can even hook this remote up to your computer, and this box comes with a flight simulator. So you can fly this bad girl on your computer, get warmed up, get dialed in, okay? So this thing is very easy to put together. It's kind of one does it all unit. And you got that Cleetus McFarland Special Edition. You can upgrade it, you can put floats on it. It's got a lot of cool features, but we don't have time for that. All right, and this one's brand new. We just put it together, and we're gonna maiden voyage. So, LiPo power there. Let's see what she got. Oh,
Water.
out of the box, still backslip. That's a unit for all of you RC plane lovers who also watch our channel. And even if you're not into RC planes and you're looking for a new hobby, I'm telling you, you can have so much fun with this, with your kids, with your family, with your friends. So if you're trying to find a new hobby or you already fly RC planes, this thing really does it all. And it's now available through Horizon Hobby. true bush plane. You ready for this?
Let's see.
We're in the bushes.
There it goes. Sweet.